Hi everyone, quick update. I have very limited time. I'm not dying, but I have a new job which is extremely time consuming, and working on this project became a very rare thing. I'm still working on it, but in teeny tiny portions, and that's why it's been friggin' 7 months from my previous upload. So this one's gonna be quick, it's gonna be dirty, but let's get this party started.
Previously on ShadowFlare Remake Devlogs.
This is the enemy, this is the ground, this is loot, and this is the UI. Sorry, I just ate falafel and it probably going to happen several more times. Yes.
ShadowFlare Remake Devlog Part 3. So first of all, I've changed the cameras to a more classical isometric view simply by switching to an orthographic projection in the camera settings. I improved the town visuals, even though the visuals overhaul should happen in the future because I am a naughty boy. I've added houses, props, vegetations, and I will talk about the warehouse and the temple in a couple of minutes. Also, in terms of visuals, I converted the simple ground texture to Unity terrain system, which is an absolute joy to work with. F keys are working properly, and now you can switch the active skill using your keyboard. До свидания, красавец! You might have noticed that the name slider is different. Now I use a single name slider for all entities, NPCs, enemies, and loot. Previously, each enemy, each object has its own world canvas on it. It's ridiculous. Now I have one single dynamic UI element, and the enemies have different name length, different slider sizes based on their evolution level, which is not part of the original game, but come on, man, it's cool. I've added NPCs, yes sir! With base dialogue system plus answers. It's quite strong, it works. I tested it thoroughly, currently no bugs, but it was tough. It was a tough one. The OG witch healing is now working as well. The next feature was a delicious piece of cake to work on. Warehouse was such a breeze to implement, and it all thanks to Past Omri, who really put his big boys underwear and built a very convenient system. Took me less than a couple of hours to finish with a mid-action diaper change. So Past Omri, thank you man, this one's for you. L'chaim. And for the final feature for this video, we got fast travel temples. All you need is to give it a kiss in order to activate it. It shows this cool VFX when the player is nearby, which was actually a lightning strike effect, but I modified it to fit my needs. Upon activating a second temple, you will be able to fast travel between them. And I've added this very simple yet quite satisfying loading screen. Loading is never satisfying, but you do your best. And I think that's it.
Thank you for watching, guys. I know it wasn't a lot, but it was something, and I tried to push myself to work on this video like I always try to push myself to work on this project, even though it's never enough. You should always try to push through barriers for the things that make you happy.